Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial. Myself is Manu. Today I will discuss about how to connect DHT11 with Arduino. So let's start. Today our required element is at first I discuss about the DHT11. This is DHT11. This is a humidity sensor. We measure the two values from here, humidity and temperature. Here are three pins: VCC, data pin and ground. VCC connect with 5 volt of Arduino, data connect with any digital pin of Arduino, and ground connect with ground of Arduino. Now I'll go into the connection. I connect VCC with 5 volt of Arduino, data connect with any digital pin, and ground connect with ground. This is our connection. Now I connect USB port with Arduino. Here are the LED. Now I am going to go. At first I open the Arduino software. And this is your code. I first need a library of DHT11. So I am going to sketch and include the library, then manage library. Here I have DHT11. Then here we see the DHT11 sensor library. Now I install from here. Okay, install done. Now I'm going to go for select the port already selected here. Now upload. In the description, code connection are available. Please check the description. Now I open the serial motor. Here we see the DHTxx, then humidity 82% at now, and temperature 30.70 degrees Celsius and 87.26 degrees Fahrenheit. This heat. If I give here the little bit of temperature. Here we see the temperature, the humidity increase and temperature also. So this is our little project. So no more today. See you again in the next video tutorial. Welcome back to watch the next video. So thank you and thank you very much.